Are you looking for a unit that you could full-time in, or maybe you want to retire in it or snowbird in it? I think I found it. We are going to take a look at this brand new 2022 Grand Design 346FLS. List price $134,288. Today, February 2022, we've got a show price of $109,995. Let's head straight inside and take a look at this beauty. This thing is unbelievable. So I'm standing here in the kitchen, and as we pan around here, look at these. This is like having a home on wheels. We have a 4-burner stove. Look at this oven. This is huge. I've never seen an oven this big. And then we have the big residential size microwave. There is so much storage in this RV. It's just phenomenal. And the details and the quality of workmanship, this is one of the things I've always heard about Grand Design. Look at this. We have shelves that we can move for a pantry, but look at the beauty of all of these slide out drawers. I mean, there's 4 of them right there. And look at that last one, super deep. Pots and pans would be perfect. We have this big island, okay? Double sink. I love this. It's a double sink that can also be a single basin sink. They have dropped this down, so if you wanted to fill it up, you could have a single basin sink, but there's a divider so you can have a double basin sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. And again, just look at the fixtures. I know I'm fanboying over this, but this is absolutely a gorgeous RV. Big storage right here. It's a little limited right there, but goes in deeper down here. Right beside of that pantry. If that pantry wasn't enough, how about all of these deep storage pockets? Big residential style refrigerator and freezer. I mean, this is literally the bigger than the one we have in our house. Okay. Come over here, we have more storage. All right, we have like a little breakfast nook, and then we have drawers down below. Like, the storage just doesn't end. But if this is going to be your home, like maybe you're going to snowbird in this, you want that space. Over here we have the dinette with the 4 chairs in the slide out with the windows surround. And what I love about this, as if there's not tons to love about this, let's go upstairs to the front of the RV. Most fifth wheels, this is your bedroom. But in this Grand Design, this is your living room right here. Look at this. We have seating easily for 6 people. We have the theater style seating over here. This is, oh man, this is comfortable. And I'm looking at this massive TV on a televator above a fireplace that also has electric heat, so we're going to get some heat off of it. This is just gorgeous. We've got an air conditioner here. There better be an air conditioner. I know there's going to be in the back. All right, so let's go look at your bedroom. Just this alone, I would love to have this in our house. This lighting setup, really nice. We have a big fan up here that's going to help exhaust. We have a little window right there beside of this. Plenty of space. Nice tile backsplash. Now this is what they call kind of like a side aisle bath. We can get to the bathroom with our bedroom door closed, so if you have guests over, that's nice. This is where we enter our bedroom. We'll go ahead and start with the bedroom. Big king bed, dresser built in right down here. It says lift here. Oh my gosh, right here is where your jewelry goes. Felt line. That's crazy. Got a TV you can watch directly from your bed. Wardrobe, hanging space, along with shelving, shoes down there. We have more wardrobe space, but again, if you were going to full-time, if you were going to snowbird in this, you need a lot of hanging space. Sliding locks into place for travel. That's nice. Plus the mirrors. We have drawers right there. Right there. These drawers are actually nice and deep. So again, we could store a lot of clothes. Now, because this is a king bed, this is one of the complaints about a lot of king bed owners. It's a little tight getting in and out. So are you willing to give up a little space to have that bigger mattress? We have 2 dogs. I would definitely give it up. Beautiful headboard. We've got our shades right there. That's our nightshade. And yep, just nightshade. So, but some light in that slide out window, which is nice. USBs, plugs. I mean, this thing has everything you would expect. Even notice the little shelves on each side, a place to set your phones at night when you're charging them. Not big enough for a CPAP, I don't think. So Now we can enter directly from like a master bedroom into our bathroom. And again, it has that side aisle either way. Of course, it's going to be a porcelain toilet in this unit. And this is a 5 out of 5. So much space, well positioned in the corner. We have, interesting, plastic sink. But I love this faucet. We've got drawers down here. Look at that deep drawer, be perfect for your hair dryers, things like that. Up top, we have a big medicine cabinet. And then this shower is, I don't even know how to describe it. So much height. You get that headroom with a fifth wheel. Look at this shower head, European style shower head, multiple jets, built-in racks, metal racks, sliding door, teak wood, bench to set on. That would actually, I believe, fold up. You have the skylight. We have, once again, unfortunately, even on a unit that's retailing at over, I think MSRP is over 130,000, we do have a chintzy fan. I would switch that out with a Max Air fan. There you go. This is your bathroom. This unit is phenomenal. I mean, that's it. Let's go outside and just get some outside look at it. I love the fact they actually put a sticker here. It says thump here because they use fully laminated laminated walls. Hear that? That is a solid wall. I wouldn't do that on other RVs. This is a double axle, has the auto leveling stabilizers. Look at this back garage space. All of this pass-through storage, this built-in cage. It's crazy. And if we come around the back, we have a more ride tray. Because I know you were thinking, how am I going to get to that stuff, Patrick? This is how. We're just going to pull the whole tray out. And what's nice about this is I can access this all the way around from all three sides. Lots of storage compartments. We have struts, slam latches. Okay. Love that. Big 50 amps because, again, we've got dual ACs on a unit this size. Okay. Multiple slide outs. Here's our outdoor water center. We're going to be able to hook up a hose right there. We have the Nautilus type system, easy to get to. We have a built-in filtering system. Here's our auto level system. As far as getting to our tanks, it looks like right here is one of our valves. One thing I want to show you is look at the thickness on this. You don't get this with all RVs. A lot of RVs is going to be about half the thickness. These Grand Design Solitudes are solid. And this particular one, and I don't know if they all come this way, but I see a more ride pin on here. Big storage up under. Yeah, I am literally crushing on this one. Look at this. We have 2 more slides over here. All right. Built-in vac system. So don't worry about bringing your Shark with you or your Dyson. We've got a built-in vac system. There's your hoses, battery shut off. All right, there you go. If you are looking for a unit to retire in or go full-time in, this might be the unit. I just have to figure out what we're going to pull it with. All right, if this is a little too big for you, I'm going to link a video up here of a smaller unit that you might like. And until next time, everybody, we'll see you on down the road.